Hi guys, I wanna show you how to calculate the age based on date of birth in the Excel. Let's go!
The most suitable function to calculate age in Excel is the function DATEDIF. Before you use the function, make sure the data table is formatted properly. The cells with dates must be formatted as date, and the cells to display the calculated age need to be formatted as number. Select the cell to display the result. Enter the equal sign, and right after, type in DATEDIF. Now we need to enter three details. The first one is date of birth, so click in the cell B3, then add a comma, and Excel now needs today's date. This can be easily entered as today function. Type in today and carry on by adding the opening and the closing bracket. This command will ensure that Excel will always use the current date for its calculations, making the result always up to date. If you need to use any other date than the current one, you can use a separate cell to store this information and refer to this cell in the formula, just like we did with date of birth.
Since we want to use the current date, we'll leave the function today in the formula and move on to the next step. Add another comma and carry on typing Y in quotation marks for years to find out the exact number of the completed years that passed between the date of birth and today's date. Now just close the brackets and hit Enter. Good job! The function can be used to calculate age in the other rows too. Simply copy the formula from the first cell by dragging down the bottom left corner of that cell. And that's all it takes. Each row now contains the calculated age as the number of completed years that passed between the date of birth and today. To find out the exact number of days or months, watch our video tutorial on how to calculate the difference between two dates in Excel.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.